Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rover how to get star seater. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To achieve star seater on Rover, you must meet specific criteria over a 7-day period. Once you qualify, you'll be able to receive a badge on your profile and appear in search results, helping you stand out to potential clients. Now, in order to qualify for star seater status, what you need to do is complete bookings with at least 5 unique clients in the last 6 months. Then maintain a 4.9 plus average star rating based on reviews from pet parents. Then respond to 95% of your recent requests within 24 hours. Only your last 25 requests are considered. Cancel bookings last minute 2% of the time or less. Last minute means cancelling within 5 days or the start date. Book at least 33% of your recent requests from new pet parents that match your profile preferences and calendar availability. Then book with at least 2 repeat clients in the last 6 months. And now, in order to track your progress, what you need to do is tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, you'll find an option that says Insights. Simply tap on that and then tap on the Start Seater tab to review your stats. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.